Our group is confirmed by
Laura Cerquera,
Sergio, rueda.
Nicolás, paez.
Julieta, bautista, and we're going to present our product that is Handy Washing Machine.
my name is Piñeros, and first we are going to talk about some problems.
Students who live in a student's residence may have problems living together in very small places, and they have to share some home appliances, such as washing machines.
In Colombia, there are many people who live in deplorable conditions. They have no electricity and do not have much water. This makes them unable to do their daily chores in an easy way. Frequent travelers have many problems due to their baggage. Being overloaded, this means that they cannot carry their amount of clothing needed to their trips.
Some hostels do not offer washing machine service, or this service is very expensive. This is a problem for their clients.
Each time, apartments and houses are smaller, and appliances like washing machines are very large. This makes them take up more space and spend more services.
Our solutions for all these problems is handy washing machine, a small size portable washing machines. Always clean at your fingertips.
You only need a pocket, soap, and a handy washing machine.
Using handy washing machine is very easy. You only need 3 steps.
Handy washing machine is 2-in-1. You can use it with plug and batteries. This is a help for people who have no electricity.
Washing machines works for different types of fabrics, underwear and delicate clothes, and has a capacity up to 7 kilograms.
Washing machines have a very expensive price, have 1 year guarantee, and waste a lot of electricity and water.
Mr. Jeff is an app that helps you to get a place to wash your clothes. This is expensive and not available throughout all the country.
Handy washing machine helps the environment, since you will not spend much energy or water. Handy washing machine has a price of only 39,900, has 1 year guarantee.
It is an excellent investment. It costs only $3 and it is easy to market.
पंद्रह बीस हजार या 25,000 का, तो अब 15, 20,000, 25,000 आपको नहीं खर्चने हैं, आपको इन्वेस्ट करने हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2,999 रुपए।
इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट हम आपके लिए नापतोल पर लेकर आए हैं, जिसका नाम है हैंडी वॉशिंग मशीन। गारंटी से आपसे कहना चाहते हैं, सिर्फ 2 बाल्टी पानी का इस्तेमाल करके घर भर के लोगों के कपड़े आप आसानी के साथ वॉश कर सकते हैं। आज के प्रोडक्ट पर 1 साल की वारंटी आपको मिल रही है, यानी कि भरोसा और भी दुगना हो जाता है। वॉश